I had a question about the how to cite a source for the paper. And so I just took a copy of one of the discussion posts I just wrote and put it on this document. So just to give you an example. So a great way to write your paper, this is for all papers, is to use, when you use Word at the beginning, when you first start to research, go ahead and start your reference. Go ahead and create your document, okay? So you'll create your document for your paper, and then you'll put in, go to references, okay? So if you need to use, like for this one, you'll use APA. So you'll choose APA style right here, okay? That way it's going to format everything for you. If you need to, you'll go to Manage Sources. And so I've created, these are just fake entries. So if I want to cite something, I can put it in, I can put a citation in for here, for Wilder. So if I want to put in Wilder, then I'm going to cite Wilder at the end, okay? Now, if I want to go and I'm going to go to Manage Sources, and I'm going to take Wilder over here, put it over there, so that's my list, close. Then I'm going to put in my bibliography. So this is how I want it, just say this is how I want it. So now I've got my bibliography in here at the end. And that actually is not supposed to be there. That was it went in the wrong place. Cut. We'll go back and put it up here. Okay, so this will be your bibliography, and it will insert that for you. Now I can also put bibliography, and it's going to add this one only because what I need to do is to go back up here. If I want to use Google 2020, copy, close. I'm going to back that up. And then I'll go in and add update citations. And now I've got Google January 25th. So I can add it. So just hit update citations. And then all you have to do is save your document. So I'm going to save it as, and I'm going to put paper. So it saves it in my desktop. And then I'm done. So I hope that helps some. This needs to go. That wouldn't be there. It would just be this one. But this way, if you use Managed Sources, you just keep a running list of your sources that you want to keep up with. And if you start it early, that means that you don't have to write it all down over and over, and you don't have to worry about trying to go back and find it or anything like that. You can keep all your reference sources here, and your bibliography will be done for you as soon as you finish your paper. Now, if I want to, let me see if there's anything else I need to do. New, here's another one, new. If I want to add a source, I can put John Doe. And I can choose a website or a book. So if I say I want it to be a journal article, so John Doe, and the title of my article is A, B, C, D, E. And the name of my journal is Coronavirus Weekly. The year is 2020, and pages 1 to 25. And then I'm going to put OK. There it is right there. And here it is over here. So when I put it in, I can go back to my update, my bibliography, update citations, and there is the Coronavirus Weekly. This is the best way to keep up with all of your reference sources. The other great thing is that if you want to take something out, you can do that. You can go and say, I'm not going to use Google 2020. I can delete it. Now it's gone. So it's not even in my sources. This way, if you keep a record of everything, you've got the option to dump what you don't need and to keep what you do need, and it just makes it a lot more organized. And since you can copy and paste, you can edit your paper over and over and over, and you've always got these sources in this file, and you always will have that. So you don't ever have to go back and try to track anything down and figure out what sites you used and which ones you didn't use. So I hope that helps. And if you have any more questions, let me know.